What is an internet exchange and how does it work? Simply stated, an internet exchange is a layer 2 fabric with a route server, and it's built and designed to help different network operators pass routes between each other to make internet routing as efficient as possible. Let's say that we have our own network, and we'll have our IX edge router, which is the .2 address. We have the 192.0.2/24 subnet that's on a layer 2 domain, and we have .1, which is a route server. These systems are all connected together via fiber cross connect, and when our system comes online, our IX edge router comes online, we're going to advertise one of our routes into the route server. The route server can then take that route and pass it to all of the other peering routers that are part of that internet exchange. It essentially makes our routes available to everyone else. In turn, we then have a route to our destination on all those different systems. If someone has traffic destined to us, they have a route to it, and ultimately they can forward that traffic. Now this is bidirectional, of course. In this case, I just showed one side of it, but our router would learn routes to all of the other network operators as well. In order for anyone to troubleshoot and gain visibility to an internet exchange, the internet exchange will have a public web page called a looking glass. This will give you visibility to all of the routes seen by the route server. It will show the neighboring networks that are attached to the exchange and give you a lot of visibility into the overall routing of that internet exchange. Let's check out DE-CIX live example on the internet right now. Here you can see the DE-CIX looking glass. I'm actually going to come in here and choose the Dallas location, as I have a network that's online there. We'll look at the IPv4 version of this. You can see a list of different networks, the IP address of the router's interface, the autonomous system number, the uptime, the description, the name of that network, as well as the routes that are both received, accepted, filtered, and exported towards that peer. In this case, I'm going to pick on this example here, Core Transit. This is actually a network that I operate, so I'm fairly familiar with it. We can see the name, the autonomous system number. We can see the routes that are received, and this is from the perspective of the route server, meaning Core Transit has sent these routes to the route server. If we click this number, we can actually see these routes, and we can see the BGP information of these routes on the route server. If you want to understand different pieces of this, of course, you can click into these metrics and deep dive a little bit further. If you're troubleshooting and you want to understand if routes are being passed from your network to other networks or from other networks to your network, you can of course use this tool as well to gain visibility. The other alternative to peering with the route server is to peer directly from one router to another over the layer 2 fabric of the internet exchange. Of course, in that case, you have to rely on your own BGP troubleshooting tools for that because the route server doesn't have visibility. But either way, the internet exchange provides a lot of capabilities to allow peering between different networks without the need for a transit provider in between. If you want to support the channel and you want to learn a little bit more about what I do and about internet exchanges and if they can benefit your network, I have a link below. With that being said though, hit that subscribe button. I want to thank you for watching. I hope to see you back sometime soon.